In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Square appointments, ensuring that your business interactions remain as positive and professional as possible. Let's face it, sometimes there's a need to prevent particular individuals from making appointments due to various reasons, and Square provides a straightforward way to manage this. So let's dive into the process. First things first, begin by navigating to the Square homepage. You can do this by simply typing Square into your search engine, which should bring up the option Power Your Entire Business Vertical bar Square as one of the top results. Clicking on this will take you straight to their official site. Next, you need to access your account. Locate and click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to the myriad of features Square offers, including appointment management. To sign in, you're prompted to enter your email address and password. This is standard procedure, but remember, ensuring that you type your credentials correctly is crucial to a smooth login process. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Square dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the control room for your Square account. Here you can manage appointments, sales, customer information, and much more. Now let's focus on managing your customers, as this is where you'll be able to block someone from making appointments. Look for and click on Customer Management. This section is dedicated to all aspects of customer interaction and data, making it easier for you to find the person you need to block. After clicking on Customer Management, proceed by selecting Customer Directory. This is where all your customer information lives. Think of it as a digital address book. It's here you'll find everyone who has made an appointment or provided their details through Square. In the customer directory, you'll see an option labeled Directory. Click on this to view a list of all your customers. It's organized to help you find anyone quickly. Now comes the part where you select the customer you wish to block. Scroll through your directory, or use the search function to locate the specific individual. Remember, every business interaction is valuable, but safeguarding your business's operation is also important. Once you've found the customer in question, you'll notice 3 dots or an ellipsis icon next to their name. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu which includes various actions you can take. From this menu, select the Block from Booking option. This action prevents the customer from being able to schedule appointments with your business via Square. Choosing to block someone is a significant action and should be decided with thoughtfulness. Once you select Block from Booking, that individual will no longer be able to make appointments through Square. This action is reversible should you decide to allow bookings from the individual in the future. After completing these steps, you have successfully blocked an individual from booking appointments with your business on Square. Remember, navigating back to your customer directory allows you to manage who can or cannot book appointments, ensuring you maintain control over your booking process. To wrap up today, we walked through the process of blocking someone on Square appointments, a feature that, while not enjoyable to use, is necessary for certain situations, whether it's a matter of no-shows, inappropriate behavior, or any other reason. Knowing how to navigate these settings empowers you to keep your business environment as positive and professional as possible. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one, ensuring you make the most out of Square for your business.